Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another video. Today I am doing another video for OLSP system and talking about what I plan to do this year as I move forward into OLSP. But I wanted to talk about some explosive results that I had last month, which I ended up winning the affiliate contest for OLSP once again for now my second month in a row, and I'm actually seeing if I can do it for a third month again this month. So OLSP so far has been one of my systems that I'm betting on big in 2026, especially now that I have one specific thing that I'm actually working on getting for you guys as a bonus if you join OLSP through me. But I'll go through that in a little while. So OLSP is a great system. It's great for beginners, great especially if you've never earned anything online before, and OLSP does help with that. So as you can see, this is the monthly contest points here. So far I'm already at 96 and 8 points so far this month. I haven't had any new sales yet, but I will go through how I got some sales this month and how last month, and how I ended up winning the contest again for the second month in a row. So basically what OLSP teaches you is basically what most businesses don't teach you, or what most things online don't teach you, which is trying to drive traffic or targeted traffic first and then letting everything else stack. Basically stack in the background. So one of the things is I've been following the training and doing a lot of work with OLSP, and I'm actually going to make this my main system in 2026 because I've got some big plans on how I can make this my number one system. And one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be upgrading to Team Builder, which is right here. I'm actually almost ready to do that soon. I'm going to do a video right here on YouTube when I do it, just to show everyone, yes, I'm becoming a Team Builder. And what Team Builder can do for you, actually, which if you guys are interested, it's down in the description, along with a few of the other things that I recommend in OLSP. But why I'm going to be upgrading Team Builder is they actually offer high ticket commissions. They offer some of the monthly things like the page builder, Mega Messenger, stuff like that, which I'll go through each of those, but they offer each of those things inside Team Builder, which you just pay a one-time fee, and then you get all those things that are normally a monthly cost, basically in with team builders. And they're very lucrative things, so this is why I'm actually planning on upgrading. Plus, you get more control over your leads, so you can actually message your leads yourself and get those high ticket sales with OLSP. So it's something that I'm planning on doing, and you get an autoresponder, you get a CRM system, you get Mega Messenger, you get done-for-you sales funnels, you get high converting squeeze pages, so that's from the page builder inside of OLSP. And Team Builders really is a lucrative thing. Plus, you can earn the high ticket commissions on top of that. Plus, you get 200% commissions on your front end and your second level as well. So for anyone that your affiliates end up recruiting and getting sales from, you'll get 200% from that too. So I'm upgrading to this mostly because it really is lucrative. It's a great upgrade, and they do show you some extra traffic methods on top of things that you may be using already. So obviously you can do the free organic method with like Facebook and things like that, which is where Mega Messenger can help, which is right here. The Mega Messenger system will actually follow up with leads and things like that on Facebook. I have used it before. It does work insanely well. But I think with Team Builder and it being not being a monthly thing anymore inside of Team Builder, I think that makes it even more lucrative. So the Team Builder upgrade is one thing I'm going to do. Now, what's amazing with Team Builder as well is this can actually be coupled with something else inside the system, which is called the Magic Link, which the Magic Link gets you sales, or not sales, I should say, commissions every time someone opts into your page on Magic Link. And then you can actually generate sales with the Magic Link from offers that Wayne has picked himself. So I'm going to couple that with Team Builders once I do get the Team Builder upgrade. This system is really amazing, and that's the only reason why I'm going all in, and it's actually the one and only system I have gone all in with. Now, how I got the contest wins on OLSP in January was simply using a couple of traffic methods that I use. I didn't do much on Facebook or anything like that last month, but I did use two other traffic methods. I just didn't promote heavily last month like I was in December. But basically, here's what I ended up doing in January. So the two traffic methods I was using was twice confirmed traffic, which if you see here, I've got a couple of my OLSP links here, which drives traffic automatically. I don't have to do anything else after I add the links. And then, of course, my favorite, which is my lead gen, which just give me one quick second here. And all I do for my lead gen is basically just promote the mega link right here in the bottom of my emails, so you can see that this is my email, and basically all I do is promote it on other highly recommended programs. There's the mega link, and that's OLSP. So that's basically how I drove sales and whatnot in January. So the other thing though that helped was this page, and I'm going to go right here, and this is the page you guys are going to come to if you want to join OLSP. Don't feel any pressure. I just have the link down in the description if you are interested. But basically this is the page that I was using to generate sales, and one of the things that I'm actually adding to the bonuses of OLSP is, first of all, these are the things that I offer right here, but then I've added two extra bonuses to this. So I'm adding the two traffic sources, which you can join these. Those are the two traffic sources right there. So twice confirmed traffic in my lead gen. And then I'm also working on getting the share codes for this exact page, so you can actually build your own page. And how I use this page is basically I show my earnings, so I show how much I've earned so far, and then and that's without the new monthly contest win. And then I also show some proof that I won the contests and stuff like that. You know, on bonus pages and stuff, feel free to always add proof, because that helps people. Basically, it helps them come up with a decision, and this is the page that I'm using on my lead gen and things like that to drive traffic to OLSP. So I'm going to be including that as one of the bonuses, because I feel like when people are starting out, you know, they may not know how to build a page or anything like that, and this can help drive more conversions. So where I use this page is actually on the lead sleep, which is right now my page builder, and that's what I'm using lead sleep mostly for, is for building pages and things like that, and also making tracking links. So, explosive month with OLSP. I have to say, why not join? OLSP is great for beginners. It's great, especially if you want to go into the team builders side of things too and really build the business up and scale. I can see a way that you can scale with this and actually scale to the point where you make it work for years to come. And it is a very lucrative program to join. Wayne is an amazing guy, and I actually am thankful for the system that he has made, and I hope that the system continues to stay around for ages to come. You guys have a great weekend and a great day today. Cheers.